Hi and welcome to session 6. Focus is the art of balance. In the last session, you became aware of the intensity of your focus, and today you're going to explore just how relaxed or bored your mind gets. If the challenge is too great, it causes tension and the mind cannot focus. But if you're not challenged by a task at all, the mind gets bored and wanders away. So to decrease distraction, we have to find the right balance between effort and relaxation. It's like a musical instrument. Tune the strings too tight or too loose, and there is no music. So in this session, each time you hear the chime, notice if there's any sense of boredom or if the mind is drifting away. Renew your focus and go deeper. You will notice aspects of the breath that you hadn't noticed before. The more interested you are in something, the more you focus on it. And the more you focus on something, the more interesting it seems. So let's try this in today's session. Make yourself comfortable, sitting in a balanced posture. And take a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Letting go of any tightness or tension. Now take a few faster deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Breathing in and out. A few more deep and fast breaths like that. Breathing in, breathing out. And now, allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and turn your attention to the contact between body and chair, experiencing the sensations. Experience the full weight of the body and allow yourself to sink deeper into the chair, maintaining a balanced posture. Now notice how your mind feels right now. Is it energized or relaxed? Curious or bored? And make an intention to stay interested in the practice today, bringing your attention fully to the breath. Not assuming that you know what is coming next, because each moment is different. And now, move your attention to the breath, to the rising and falling of the abdomen, focusing on the sensations of the movements of the abdomen. Now moving your attention to the nostrils. Experience the sensations of air entering and leaving the nostrils. See if you can connect with enjoyment, simple pleasure of experiencing the sensations of each breath and nothing else to do. When you hear the sound of the chime, notice the state of your mind. If it is bored or drifting, wandering away, remind yourself about the benefits of this practice, about why you're doing this, and bring your focus fully to the breath, renewing your interest and curiosity. Moving your attention back to the rising and falling of the abdomen. Noticing the contact between body and chair. noticing any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. You've taken another step in this journey towards decreased distractions and better focus. Did you notice how summoning up interest and curiosity is a powerful antidote to boredom and can significantly boost focus? So take a few moments during the day to notice the intensity of your focus, and whenever you're bored, increase your interest, your curiosity, and connect with the meaning and enjoyment of what you're doing. This will further decrease distraction and improve focus. In the next final session of this series, I'll give you more space, more silence for you to practice, trying out all the techniques and elements you've learned so far in this series. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 7.